Nice folks, welcome to another one. This one, we're doing a little cooking here. 24-hour getaway up Cumana. We're all scouting on the shoreline, you know. So we go and do a barbecue chicken chow mein. Nice. Look what going on there. Nice fresh veggies. Yeah. Go and do a halfway sauteed on this. And we have this guy here. This guy is Young Coyote. Yes, this man was explaining the fishing technique for me. Yeah? Tell me where he is talking about the bait.
So at the beach, we caught a small crab.
Yeah?
Usually, what you do with small crabs, you throw them at the shoreline where lots of tide pools are. And when you do that, lots of smaller fish will come to get them.
Yeah.
If you're looking for small fish just to catch for fun, you can use that technique.
Yeah.
If you're looking for big fish to catch, what you do is to catch a sand flea, you need to dig for it a little bit. Normally you'll have specialized tools for that.
Yeah.
If you want, you can look for those tools.
Yep.
And when you catch a sand flea and you cast it out into the ocean, normally a larger or medium fish will come to get that.
Yeah.
You can either keep the fish or use it to catch sharks.
Bigger fish.
Yeah.
Alright, so you use the sandflea to catch small fish. Use the small fish to catch bigger fish.
And then you use that to catch the sharks if you want any.
Okay, cool.
For stingrays, you can use big crabs.
Okay.
Like those crabs, those are normally too big, so if you chop them up, they're good size for a stingray to eat.
Nice. Good definition, Andy. Nice, so that we get into this now. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is pour some sesame oil over this pot here. Nice. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, some sesame oil. The pot already hot. We have some Irish butter here. Yeah, imagine how this gonna taste. Barbecue chow mein. You ever see anybody do this? Barbecue chow mein?
Yeah, I just do it.
With leftovers. Alright, yeah. So pour that butter to melt in the sesame oil. Yeah. Right, as soon as this little chunk of butter melt out, we're gonna add in the onion, garlic, pimento. Yeah, and we're cooking this for a few minutes. Yeah. Nice, so we're cooking that for a few minutes. Let me get the wood covering. We'll cover it for about 3 minutes. Yeah, let the flavor stay inside. Nice, so after that saute for about 2 to 3 minutes, we don't want it burning too much. We add in we sliced barbecue chicken. And I think this frying pan gonna be too small. Definitely gonna be too small. Yeah. Nice, so we get that a nice little tune up. Get that a nice little tune up there. That looking good there, ready to eat without adding anything else. Nice, so anyway, you don't have to cook that too much because the barbecue done cook already. Chicken done cook. So as we saute that up now, Gonna add the carrots and all the other ingredients. Oh boy. As I say, the pan too small. I wonder if you have a bigger pot to transfer that in, boy. You know, a wok is the real thing to do this in, eh? A wok. Anyway, let's see if I get something bigger and transfer it quick. Yeah. Nice. So I think we're getting through there. So we're gonna add a little extra flavor to it. We're gonna add a little barbecue sauce on top. We might probably add a little water so it just steam down. Nice. Yeah. Nice. So far we're looking good. Alright, so we're gonna add a little soy sauce on top. Soy sauce and 5 spice powder.
Chinese flavor.
Yeah, slight Chinese flavor, spice powder. Nice. Yeah, folks, and we're looking to improvise. This is the barbecue from last night. Yeah, we did our barbecue last night, and you know we have a lot of leftovers, so we improvise in here. Look what I'm looking in now. Nice. Just keep tilling it. Now we have to put no water in this. We have to put no water. That almost good. You know, when you're eating, you wanna feel the crunch, and yeah, feel that crunch. Yeah. So, what are we gonna name this? Barbecue chicken chow mein?
Correct.
Barbecue chicken chow mein. It is. Nice. So I see that cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, and we gonna call that off there. Yeah. So nice. We got to turn off the stove now and serve hot with fry bake hops, coconut bake, bread, or even as it is. Yeah, even though. Nice. So yeah, after that cookout, we gotta end this little session outside here.
Just order a helicopter and then be easy. I thought you were going to take a picture.
So my cousin there, man bring up the whole family. He bring up wife, kids, parrot. What the parrot name again?
Lulabelle.
Willabelle?
Lulabelle.
Or Lilybelle? Lilabelle?
No, Lulabelle.
Right. Bring up parrot and you bring up the bird here. Yeah.
His name is Willie.
Willie?
Yeah.
Alright, so that bird is Willie.
It's a male.
Male.
Male bullfinch.
Alright.
Oh, she's good.
Nice.
Oh, can I touch him? So he's the best.
Yeah, folks, so we up here in Cumana. Sunday morning in Cumana. Yeah. Yeah, so down that side there, going to Epic Beach. You have 2 spots on that side. When you're going there, go straight, you're going to Epic Beach. Left, you're going to a part with the gazebo. And now on this side here, that road can enter our next beach. And right there is the main road. Yeah? Nice. So we I'm gonna take a little walk to the main road and you're all gonna see the directions to get to here. Yeah. So that is Cumana Junction right up there where Chick King is and the gas station. Beyond that is Dabadi Street. Right by this Honey Hot variety shop. You know? Yeah. Or Cumana Seventh-day Adventist Church sign there. You know, the coming from that way, the post kind of blocking the sign. Yeah, I know what kind of signage is this now, boy. They need to cut down this tree. I feel so. The tree blocking the sign. In case somebody's watch this vlog and want to find them beaches, epic spot in the back, they believe me. Wow, on low tide. Yeah. Alright. We have a little waterfall there. Tunnel waterfall. And we have a cow in a distance here. So this is our Sunday morning in Cumana. You know, we still have the day about, about 6-7 hours again. Yeah. Nice. Right, so we're heading back by the house and have a nice sandwich and then see what next. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Hey, what you doing up there? How you reach up there? Come, come down from there now. Alright, so we have Adventia Girl and Zaria trying to climb a tree. No, not to go up, not to go up. If you fall, not to climb high. Nice. We have Mr. Zamir there. This is the... I feel you'll be an expert fisherman, no? Yeah. Okay. Huh? Right, play tag. Go and run. Go and run.
You play tag with me.
No, no, no. Go and play tag. Go and play tag. Let it catch you. Huh?
Because the fish will swim away if we try to catch him.
Yeah, yeah. Nice.
Really lucky catch to catch those goldies. Normally you would find them in tackles that size.
Anyway, folks, hope you all learned something from that. So, yeah. So, over and out. See you all in the next one.